the formula to solve a binomial cube is a cubed plus 3 times a squared times b plus 3 times a times b squared plus b cubed. And so you put a 1 over 3 x squared cubed plus 3 times a times b plus 3 times a times b squared plus b cubed. And then you solve it, and a gives you 1 over 27 x to the 6th power, and this one gives you 3x to the 4th power times y plus 243 over 2 x squared y squared plus 729 y, and this is your answer. A polynomial that represents the area of a triangle with a base of x minus 6 and a height of x plus 5. And you draw your triangle and you put x minus 6 and the height x plus 5. The area of a triangle is 1/2 times base times height. A equals 1/2 times x minus 6 times x plus 5. And then you do FOIL with this one, and it gives you x squared plus 5x minus 6x minus 30. And you get x squared minus x minus 30 times 1/2. And you get 1/2 of x squared minus 1/2 of x minus 1/2 of times negative 30. And your answer will be, the area is 1/2 of x squared minus 1/2 of x minus 50. Yeah. To factorize these difference of squares, you need to use this formula. A plus b and a minus b. The factorization of 25x squared is 5x, and of 36y squared and c squared is plus 6yc, and 5x minus 6yc, and this is your answer. You need to simplify this. So you put 2x and you factorize this difference of squares, which is x minus 5 times x plus 5. And then this one, you need to add them, so the common factor of these two is x minus 5 times x plus 5. And you multiply 3 times x plus 5, which is 3x plus 15, plus 2 times x minus 5, which is 2x minus 10. Then you simplify this, and this gives you 5x plus 5 over x minus 5 times x plus 5. Then you have to multiply this one, divide this one over this one. So it's 2x over x minus 5 times x plus 5 times x minus 5 times x plus 5 over 5x plus 5. This one cancels with this one, and this one with this one, and your answer is 2x over 5x plus 5.
To solve this linear equation, you first need to pass the 3 subtracting. So you do 2x minus 6 equals 17 minus 3, which is 14. So then you pass that 2 dividing the 14. So 5x minus 6 equals 14 divided with 2, and it's 7. After that, to get rid of the square root, you need to do it squared. And if you do this side squared, you need to do it here too. So you have this 5x minus 6 squared, and you get rid of this, and this equals 7 squared. And you have 5x minus 6 equals 49. And then you put 5x equals 49 plus 6, 5x equals 55, and you pass the 5 dividing, and it's x equals 11. You need to solve for 2w. So first you put p minus 2l equals 2w, and then you need to pass the 2 dividing. So you put p divided by 2 minus 2l divided by 2 equals w, and this is your answer.
Problem 113, Final Lab. The first step will be to write the equation with the given numbers. As you can see, they already gave you the value of x, that is, x minus y equals 113, so you just need to substitute. After doing this, you need to put it like this: 2x plus 2y equals 416, and x minus y equals 113. So you can use the elimination method, and the result will be x equals 169 feet and 30 feet, and that will be all. Yeah. Problem 126, Final Lab. The first step is to identify each value to a equals 5p squared, b equals minus 2p, c equals 6. Then you have to substitute them on the general formula like this, and then execute the formula, and the result will be like this. But that isn't everything. Then you have to simplify it, and it will be like this. And like you can't add them, the answer will be like this. One is the positive, and this one is the negative. Problem 136, Final Lab. Like them ask you to do it in the substitution method, you have to leave one letter alone, like this one. I choose the x because it's easier when it's alone already. So the value of x will be x equals x squared minus 6 minus y. And then you have to substitute the x with that. After you substitute the x, it will look like this: x squared minus x squared minus 6 minus y equals 6. And it will give you the value of x, and after you have done that, you will have the value of x, and then you just have to substitute the value of x on the other equation, and you will have the result of y.